Okay, so now after transferring our water sample from our 140 milliliter syringe to our MIMS vials, we are now in the preservation stage, and this is the final part of collecting our MIMS samples, let's say at our stream site. So I put on gloves because we are dealing with zinc chloride, and as the bag says, caution, wear gloves. So I'm going to grab my zinc chloride, which is connected with a handy dandy 1 milliliter syringe and the needle. Find a flat surface because you are dealing with zinc chloride. And so I'm going to grab the needle gently, not whip it out. Let's see, flat. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out 0.6 because I'm going to add 0.2 to each of our vials. So I'm going to stick this in here and I'm going to pull up my 0.6, and as you can see there's that water line. And so I'm basically going to pull it up to the water line. Shoot, I can't really see. Okay. So it's pulled up to the 0.6. And so again, I'm going to add this, and it's like giving somebody a shot, except we are giving our MIMS sample a shot. So I'm going to put it under that bubble, and I'm going to push 0.2. I'm going to stop it. I'm going to pull it out. No drip. I'm going to do it again. I'm at 0.4 now. As you can see, the needle's under the water. Stop. No drip. Final one. And so this is really important that you don't just like push this down. And so basically once you get to that end, you're going to stop. No drip. Because we don't want to just like push that air because we're trying to avoid bubbles, period. So that is our preservation technique. Make sure before you cap those that you close your zinc chloride. Put on your needle. And so now that is your MIMS sample, and you can take it back to the lab and cap it. Oh, and sorry, one more thing after I cap these. Okay, so we have these capped, and so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tip this, and I want to make sure that there are no bubbles, and also if you put it on the side, you would likely see a bubble. So this one's good, and so we brought our handy dandy container with water, and so this is how we do our final step before taking it to the lab, is we put it under water, because that's how it'll be once you get to the lab. You'll put it in your walk-in. Again, check each one. And this is the beauty of replicates. If I guess one's bad, you got two other good ones. And cap it, and we'll put it in our cooler. And that is the MIMS sampling collection and preservation.